The kidneys are tiny but powerful organs that quietly work all day filtering toxins, balancing minerals, and keeping your blood pressure stable. But the truth is, many of the foods we eat daily can silently damage them. You may not feel the warning signs until almost 80% of kidney function is already lost. So in this video, let's talk about the top 10 foods that slowly destroy your kidneys and what you should eat instead. The first major kidney-damaging food is processed meats, things like sausages, hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. These foods are extremely high in sodium and preservatives like nitrates. Too much sodium forces the kidneys to retain water, increasing blood pressure and overworking the filtration system. If you crave protein, switch to fresh chicken, fish, or eggs instead. Even a small reduction in processed meats can drastically reduce kidney strain. Next are packaged salty snacks, chips, namkeen, crackers, and salted nuts. Most seniors already struggle with high blood pressure, and these snacks worsen it. Each handful may contain more sodium than you should eat in an entire day. Over time, this reduces kidney blood flow. Replace them with unsalted nuts, roasted chana, or homemade popcorn. Number 3 is sugary drinks, soft drinks, packaged juices, and energy drinks. These beverages spike sugar, lead to insulin resistance, and eventually cause kidney damage through inflammation. They also dehydrate you, making the kidneys work harder to filter thickened blood. If you want something refreshing, drink lemon water, coconut water, or homemade buttermilk. The fourth harmful food is red meat in large amounts. Red meat produces acidic waste during digestion, and the kidneys must work hard to remove it. Seniors with even mild kidney decline should drastically reduce red meat. Instead, choose plant proteins like dal, lentils, tofu, or beans a few times a week. These are easier to digest and gentler on the kidneys. Another silent kidney killer is artificial sweeteners found in diet foods, sugar-free biscuits, zero-calorie drinks, and low-calorie desserts. They may seem harmless, but research shows they can disrupt gut bacteria, raise inflammation, and damage kidney filtration over time. If you want sweetness, choose small amounts of jaggery, stevia, or dates instead. Number 6 is excessive dairy, especially full-fat milk, cheese, and cream. Dairy creates high levels of calcium and phosphorus in the body. When your kidneys cannot filter these efficiently, they accumulate in the blood and can cause stones. If you enjoy dairy, keep portions small and choose curd or buttermilk rather than heavy cheese or cream. The seventh food that harms kidneys is deep-fried items, pakoras, French fries, puris, fried chicken, and fast food. These are loaded with trans fats, which raise cholesterol and damage blood vessels, including those feeding the kidneys. Over time, this reduces filtration capacity. Instead, try steaming, baking, or air frying your favorite dishes. The eighth danger is refined sugar and desserts, cakes, cookies, pastries, and sweets. High sugar directly damages kidney blood vessels and increases the risk of diabetes, the #1 cause of kidney failure worldwide. You don't have to give up sweets forever, just switch to homemade sweets with jaggery and reduce how often you eat them. Number 9 is alcohol. Even small amounts can dehydrate the body, raise blood pressure, and make the kidneys work overtime. Over years, this accelerates kidney decline. If you drink, keep it extremely minimal and drink plenty of water afterward. Finally, one of the biggest kidney-damaging foods is instant and packaged foods, instant noodles, ready-made gravies, frozen meals, and pre-mixed foods. These contain very high sodium, preservatives, and chemicals. They make life easier but silently burden your kidneys every single time you eat them. Cook fresh whenever you can, even simple meals. Your kidneys rarely send early warning signs, so protecting them is about making small changes today. Switch to whole foods, drink more water, reduce salt and sugar, and choose fresh over packaged. Even improving just 2 or 3 habits from this list can dramatically boost kidney health, energy, and longevity, especially after age 50. If you've had a similar experience with kidney health, or if you have any tips for staying healthy, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health-related content, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on my latest videos.